What appears on screen first is a set of three pedals resting on a solid metal base plate, and immediately the construction seems built with durability in mind. The all-metal structure gives the Raceline Pedals 3 a presence that feels more aligned with mid-range sim racing setups than entry-level peripherals. At first glance, the design appears modular and deliberately scalable. Each pedal sits independently, and the spacing between them is adjustable, a detail that may matter considerably for users with different foot sizes or seating positions. One thing that stands out is the Hertz sensor technology used across all three pedals. These frictionless Hall effect sensors are designed to maintain precision over time without the degradation that contact-based sensors can develop. For sim racers who invest seriously in long sessions, this appears to be a meaningful design choice. Moving on to adjustability, each pedal offers three notch positions for pressure customization, and multiple springs are included in the box. The non-slip base pads seem designed to keep the unit stable whether placed on carpet, hardwood, or inside a cockpit frame. From here, compatibility is worth noting. The Raceline Pedals 3 works with most Thrustmaster force feedback wheels across PS5, PS4, Xbox, and PC. The brake pedal also supports a load cell upgrade kit, sold separately, which some users may prefer for more realistic braking feel. Overall, the experience feels like a thoughtful mid-range option for sim racers who want upgrade potential without committing to a full high-end setup immediately. Some users may find the load cell sold separately disappointing at this price. In many cases, though, the metal construction and sensor quality appear to justify the investment.